2015 Genesis. It wasn't named 2009 North American Car of the Year for nothing. Genesis combines luxury, performance, and engineering for one powerful and memorable driving experience, and is priced below $55,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, anti-lock braking system, traction control, power passenger seat, air conditioning, front, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, power steering, home link garage door opener, aluminum wheels, floor mats. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.